I'm David Ostler, the Chief Financial Officer of Sheffield Group. We distribute power tool accessories across Australia to hardware and engineering retailers. Logic has added, I think, a key element, which is confidence. There's been a great deal of confidence in the support and the knowledge and the capabilities of Logic in training our staff, installing enhancements and in development pieces. So it's really important, after having an earlier not so fun experience, to have a greater deal of confidence.
So we just recently implemented the Harmonic warehouse management system as part of our implementation, moving away from a previous WMS, and it's made it so much quicker to actually do the picks, and the stock control is much more accurate. So not only do we have correct stock figures to show to our customers, but we're able to get those orders out a bit quicker.
Logic are very responsive in terms of their support, emails, phone calls and so forth. We do have a regular weekly catch-up where items of issue or enhancement requirements are presented, and often they're solved on the spot, or training is given to our team to be able to handle those sorts of issues going forward. So the support has been excellent.
So in Harmonic, one of the first things I noticed was how much easier it is to do customizations myself. There's a lot that we can change, and it's all very easy. A lot of it is just in the front end of the system. We don't need to know code necessarily in order to be able to make changes like this. Now that we've got everything integrated into one system, it just works so much more brilliantly, so much more simply and easily, and we can easily customize it. It's just great.
My name's Ben Allbutt. My grandfather started this business, and my role here is the operations manager. Being at a distributor level and having over 4,000 customers throughout Australia at different industries and different levels in the industry, we do have a fairly complex pricing structure, and Harmonic enabled us to do that complex pricing structure with the various layers of pricing and discounting that we needed to do to apply to buying groups, to apply to large nationals, to apply to just single small resellers, quite a wide variety of customer businesses there. We could structure that pricing exactly as we wanted using Harmonic without needing any customization.
I used to describe what I was doing as swimming through treacle. Now it's a walk in the park. Logic has made it much simpler for us, and the extension of having a single point of truth in our data makes it much more consistent for every department. Rather than having to fight with different systems, having our ERP system across the entire company means that everybody's got access to the same data, and it means we don't have to swap and change. We don't have to produce reports and then hand that to somebody. We don't have to create spreadsheets and give it to somebody else to manipulate. This just means that we have one clear point of where our data is stored, and we can all use it.